we've been able to identify and target things that actually really are downtime problems and been able to work those out from a hierarchical standpoint of 80-20 rule. This is we need to work on our setups. We need to work on these 4 downtime codes because we know that they're bigger than anything else. And being able to reduce those is real dollars. It's real stuff that goes to the bottom line. And we're now at the point where we can begin to quantify those numbers, and we see the impact of what this is going to be. We're still early enough in the phase here that there's still constant improvement that's going on, and I don't have a good dollar figure of what's actually been saved to date, but I know from an inventory write-off standpoint, we would typically write off $60,000-$100,000 of inventory out of that plant on a physical, and we wrote off 0. So knowing what that is and knowing that your inventory is accurate the whole time that you're using the system, that is real dollars, and it's also the amount of time savings that is when you're doing a physical to go out and everything's there that's supposed to be there is massive.